The Bharatiya Janata Party Bjp Meghalaya Unit held a press conference today to respond to recent allegations made by the Congress party in the state. Addressing the media, BJP General Secretary Ankit Poshna strongly criticized the Congress for what he feels as baseless accusations against the party. He questioned the Congress party's credibility, citing its alleged involvement in the National Herald case, which he claimed violates provisions of the Representation of the People's Act 1951. Poshna pointed to a section of the Act that prohibits political parties from engaging in commercial activities with private entities.
Is about the development which has happened since yesterday. If you look at what has transpired is, the Congress party, which champions itself as a party that follows the Gandhian principles of truth, is now seen to have been caught between the devil and the deep sea. They cannot fool the people of India anymore by diverting attention through dharnas and condemnations of all sorts, because its topmost leadership now has been charged, cheated under PMLA. So I'm sure everybody knows the famous National Herald case. It's a very landmark legal battle which is going on, and their leader Srimati Sonia Gandhi and the current leader of the opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, has been named as the topmost accused amongst others. So now you can see that there is a money trail and various transactions which has been established by documentary evidence. So we, the people of Meghalaya, would like to put a question to the Congress party, that is it not true that the Congress and corruption is synonymous? Now that the facts are in the open, the way the AGL was through fraudulent means. How was AGL acquired by Young India Private Limited, which was a company, which was a company formed just in the year 2012, if I'm not mistaken. And the major shareholders of the company, 76% stake of that company is owned none other by Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi. As a MP is concerned, I would like to ask him a question that, what he has to say about the National Herald case, disintegrating AGL, and the National Herald, a newspaper which was closed down because it had a loan, and a political party giving zero interest loan of approximately 90 crores, which, if you look at the Representation of People's Act 1951, it does not allow a political party to enter into commercial business within a private entity, which the Congress has done so. So I would like to ask him a question. What does he has to say on this particular issue?
In response to allegations regarding the BJP's treatment of Christians and Muslims across India, Poshna denied any such actions, stating he was unaware of the recent remarks made by Congress MP Saling Sangma about the persecution of Christians. He also defended the recent amendments to the Waqf Act, stating that they were passed through proper legal procedures, and claimed that several Muslim organizations have expressed support to the amendment.
See, I will not, because I have not heard what statement our MP has made, Saling Sangma ji. But yes, like I've told you from earlier, see, right now, especially the Congress leadership is trying to divert the attention of the people of the country from its basic, the National Herald case which is there. So there's nothing as, there's nothing as a major persecution which is happening. I don't know what data he has brought up. As far as what we can understand, things are going fine. If you look at the Waqf amendment, which the country, the parliament has passed, it has got the nod of the president, it has gone through the due process of the law, and it is not that it has been objected by most of them. If you look that, right now I think so the matter is up on the Supreme Court. There are many Muslim organizations also which is supporting the amendment. So I don't look at, we're not supposed to single out on, on somebody opposing it. There's also another section from the same community which is accepting it. So let the law take its own course. I'm sure now it's there in the Supreme Court. So how will the court deal with it? That is up to the court to see.